Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. Today, we will make the marble shine beautifully. Okay, let's get into the lesson. This is the marble that I colored before. Then I will recreate a new marble. Go to Add, select UV sphere. Then we go to this panel and turn on its grid. Right-click and select Share Smooth to make it smoother. Next, we will now have to select Edit More. Then we choose the face. Hold Alt, then select a face. It will select all faces along the horizontal axis. Hold Shift to select another horizontal line. Go to Material to select the material. We choose New to open a new page. Then select Emission. We will add one new material, fruit. The old one will remain the same. Then New, then Emission again. Then choose the color and adjust the brightness. Click Assign so the light color appears on the sphere. We choose Ctrl-Shift to select more paths. Select the plus sign, then select New, then select Emission. Increase the strength index, and then choose a color. Click Assign to display the color. We continue to make other horizontal lines. The method is still the same, so I will do it quickly. That's one way, but the second way is we will select each cell one by one, so that it can be varied in color. Now, let's go back to Object More. Then we will select the Modifiers section. Go to the table and select Subdivision. Let's leave the net. Go to Material section. We will do the same as the previous lesson. We will key again. Then change to a new color. Just keep keying like that. Then change color again. Okay, so we can do it. My lesson is here. I wish you a good day. Goodbye.